Oh, here we go. Okay, we have all. This is all the data we downloaded. West Tech records. Look at the regular transmissions. All right, but what are the Alpha experiments log? Prototype Pan-Immunity Virion Project. In the hopes of countering the current bacteriological and viral agents employed by the Chinese government, we have manufactured a virus fragment consisting of ribonucleic acid, RNA, encased in a protein lipid sheath. This virion contains a specially arranged sequence of irradiated amino acids that are capable of attaching to non-specific binding sites on DNA and force a non-replicating mitosis to occur. The resulting host cell is left with a quadruple helix DNA structure. Early tests are promising. The virion easily penetrates the cell membrane and attaches directly to the host DNA in the nucleus. Mitosis of the structure begins almost immediately. Cytokinesis is prevented by controlling the disposition of the kinetochore fibers during anaphase. The entire mitotic cycle lasts approximately 2 hours, although phenotypical expression of the new structure may take days or weeks to become apparent. In addition to an effective immunity to bacterial and viral agents, the quad helix structure is almost entirely immune to errors introduced in base pairing during replication due to multiplicity of the base sequence. Oh my god, this is hard to read for a fucking smooth brain like me. Radiation-exposed tissue showed no mutation in the base sequence, and protein synthesis mechanisms in the ribosomes were unimpaired. Over 80% of the sample's tissue contained quad helix DNA. Most affected was muscle and bone tissue, as well as okay. I wasn't sure. At first I thought that's secretary. Secretory. I'm not sure what that word is actually. Fuck it, I'm looking it up.
Secretory.
Okay. Secretory. I need to hear it again.
Secretory.
Secretory. Alright, over 80% of the sample's tissue contained quad helix DNA. Most affected was muscle and bone tissue, as well as secretory cells, as these cells seem most receptive to virion. Sensory cells are the least affected, surprisingly. Even normally non-replicating nerve cells and non-somatic cell were induced to begin mitosis. Further experiments will be necessary to determine the results on these cells. Interesting. Let us learn more. I guess let's go in this room. It's a very oddly designed floor. You got to go all the way around here. I guess they wanted to make it very secure. It's in this locker. Another book and a combat armor. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. So, its armor class is way higher than everything else we've had. It's also, look at the resists. Normal and laser, way higher. Fire, way higher. Plasma, again, way higher. And it's better at literally everything than spike armor. It's kind of incredible. And we're also not even going to be using this for long. After we get our power armor, this is going right on Katja. Ian's going to be sticking with that metal armor for the rest of the game. Ooh, we got another disc. Delta experiments log. Delta experiments log. Error. I see. Holy shit, that's a lot of ammo munition. Minigun? Yeah, there's some good shit in here. This is definitely a loot room we're searching. A radio? I don't think we have a radio. Yeah, I'll take a radio. Ooh, baby. Gimme. I always want that stuff. A stealth boy? Okay, I looked it up. The motion sensor does something kind of interesting. Not that useful, but if you bring up the map, this map, you can use the motion sensor and scan it. It'll show you red dots for all the enemies on the map, but it's like, who cares? I honestly forgot about this pistol. Look at it. That laser pistol looks sick. Why can't the guns in later games look like that? All of these guns are incredibly powerful. These are like, and also worth a lot of fucking money. Like a disgustingly large amount of money. Got more suspension tanks in here. Doing more tests, it would seem. You know what, let's walk in case it causes some, like, little thing to pop up down here saying, like, what this room was. That doesn't look like it. Okay, go back. And one final log, it would seem. FEV experiments log. Oh, we gained a level from that. And then we're gonna go try and beat that fucking computer at chess one last time. FEV experiments disc. Buckle up, guys. We got more lore. Log date, March 21st, 2075. Major Barnett has ordered experiments with batch 1011 of Panimmunity Virion, which has been renamed FEV for Forced Evolutionary Virus. His main concern is with the side effects of the quad helix structure rather than its main effect of replicative stability. He believes the new structure is the next logical step for mammalian nuclei. Experiments with single-celled organisms is a great success, while their basal metabolism appears unchanged. Their immunity to infection and radiation is exceeding all earlier expectations. Addendum: chloroplasts seem unaffected by the virion. Further experiments on plant cells have been cancelled by order of Major Barnett. Log date, May 9th, 2075. We infected several species of flatworm with FEV. Within hours, the worms had increased in size by 28%, and 39 separate viral contagions were resisted by the population. Each sample was allowed to continue for several generations, and the new DNA structure was successfully passed on to worms' progeny, although only asexual reproduction was noticed in the samples. Experiments with insects have had less success. Major Barnett has postponed these experiments until further notice. Log date, June 30th, 2075. Several lab strains of white mice have been infected successfully with FEV. Again, an increase in size was noted within hours, and after 9 days, all mice had stabilized at 31% larger than the control group. Dissection revealed the most increase in size in what? In striated muscle tissue and certain I swear to God, this game, I learn new words every time I replay it. I'm like, how do I remember that? In striated muscle tissue and certain internal organs, such as the liver, heart, and kidneys. In a surprising finding, the infected mice were found to run mazes in less than half of the time of the control group. More testing will be needed to confirm this finding as significant. Log date, November 9th, 2075. We have infected 218 rabbits with FEV. Half of the subjects were implanted with electrodes to monitor EEG activity before and after the infection. Increased electrical activity in the brain was noted in 3.2 seconds, on average, after injection. Again, the typical size increase was noted. However, increased aggression and posturing, especially among males, was noted as well. Sacrifice and profusion yielded brain tissue that showed increased dendritic connection, especially in the limbic system and frontal cortex. Log date, January 12, 2076. With batch 1111, we have improved the mitotic cycle efficiency by 43%. We have infected 53 raccoons with the new strain. In addition to the now expected size increase, behavioral tests confirmed an increase in intelligence and manual dexterity by 19 points on the Schuler-Gap Index. Unfortunately, several subjects escaped confinement and had to be hunted down and dispatched. Major Barnett ordered the remaining subjects terminated. 2 pairs were unaccounted for. Log date, May 13th, 2076. We have spliced several new gene sequences, supplied by Major Barnett's advisory team, into FEV. With batch 11101A, we infected 23 dogs of both pure and mixed breed, and all experienced nearly immediate growth. The larger size was accompanied with increased aggressiveness, while no significant intelligence increase was noted. We plan to attempt crossover of 92 allele pairs with batch 1111. All subjects were terminated after 14 weeks of study. Log date, October 4th, 2076. The crossover has been completed, and 15 chimpanzees were infected with batch 11111. Growth and immunity levels are unprecedented. Attempts to induce cancers in the subjects through radiological and chemical agents were not successful. Increased aggressiveness have led to isolating the subjects. 2 subjects suffered violent epileptic seizures and died. All remaining subjects terminated. Log date, January 7th, 2077. Major Barnett has ordered transfer of all FEV research to the Mariposa military base. He plans to continue the project experiments on volunteered subjects. I am against this, and would like it noted here that research on human subjects is not recommended by myself or my staff. Alright. So FEV make you big, strong. Sometimes some creatures it makes you very intelligent. Some it makes you very angry. Humans does not seem to make them very smart, and it does seem to make them very angry. But we gotta level up, which means science up, please. Let's get it up there. Where do I go now? I guess we could 150. We could up Doctor so that we can help Dogmeat, but we could also start leveling up Big Guns because it's at 9. But we don't need it that much. I would like Dogmeat to not have broken limbs all the time. Doorsman would also let us go around the map fast. It also increases our chances of finding good shit on the map. So you know what? Fuck it. We're going Outdoorsman. One of the least leveled up skills in the game. I'm doing it just because I've been feeling like we've been going a little slow across the map. Alright, we've gained a lot of knowledge here. We've learned a lot of shit about the FEV. I think it's time we get out of here. God damn it. Let's play a game of chess, Sax. I'm feeling a little smarter now. Let's do a quick game. Bullet. It would seem that you have defeated me. Extraordinary. Thanks. That's right. I beat a fucking AI at speed chess, motherfucker. I'm smart! I'm so fucking smart! Dude, once again, my inventory is so fucking overloaded. I'm gonna have to sort everything again after this. So I gotta use like 3 key cards to get out of here. Hey, I fixed the place though. Oh, we've made it out. Dude, when we get to the next area, I'm gonna read all these fucking books. You're not even gonna be ready. I'm gonna read so many fucking books. Oh my god! But yeah, holy shit. The Glow is quite a place. Huge lore dump, very important place. Super important. Learned a lot of shit. We know a lot more about what's going on in this world. What caused it and why. So let's make our way back to the Brotherhood. We've got a lot of shit in the Glow, and we've completed our mission. We got some information. We found something that we can prove that we were there. I'm sure the Brotherhood will be interested in this knowledge. Then they'll have to let us in. Also, with all these points in our endorsement, look how fast we're moving across the desert now. Whoa! Fucking hauling it. It's like we got a car now. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh, it's just some idiots with guns. As if they threaten me anymore. Ooh! This guy's played Roblox. I forgot Dogmeat's crippled. That team seems to be doing pretty good. Dude, I told you, once you get caught to her power fist, she's fucking scary. You see how much she just fucking everyone up? I wouldn't fuck with her. Whoa! This guy's a ninja! Alright, good combat. Oh, you know what? Actually, before we go anywhere, let's go heal Dogmeat's injured leg. We've got doctor bags now. We can actually do it. Where are you? There you are. Alright, Dogmeat, I got you. Oh, okay, so this does confirm that it doesn't use them up. Okay, this is why I've been stockpiling them, because I thought they might get used up when you use them. Okay, it's probably the same. Oh, we did it. Yeah, that's so much easier when you have a doctor bag. So, since it's probably the same with the first aid kit. So, we could probably sell all of our extras when we get a chance. Let's go tell Kevin. Oh my god. Another already? That's fucking Deathclaw. Oh no. Well, we're all a lot tougher with all really good weapons. A couple rad scorpions and Deathclaw is not the biggest scare. I'll try and draw the aggro. Yeah, good dog! Akacha just one-shots one of them. Is it not hostile to us? I'm very confused. But I feel I must stab. I must stab Deathclaw. Must stab Deathclaw! Oh, that's not good. That's pretty good. Eh, whatever. 4 damage, whatever. Deathclaw, you think you're tough? I'm like a god to you! Alright, now I'm guessing Tycho stole the aggro. Oh my god, even Dogmeat can hurt this Deathclaw. This Deathclaw's a little bitch. Take him out. Oh, well, it did a lot of damage, but did not do as much as I thought it would. Anyways, here's the killing blow. Let's go. Oh, tough boy. Holy shit!